Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an app using Zoho Creator, step by step. And the best part is, you don't need any coding experience to follow along. So let's get started. First, log into your Zoho Creator account. Once you're inside the Zoho Creator dashboard, go to the top left corner and click on Applications. Then click on Create Application. This is where we'll begin building our app. Now, you'll see a few different options. You can start from scratch, use a template, or import a file. But if you're a beginner, the easiest option is to use the AI Builder, because it does most of the work for you. Go ahead and click on Create under the AI option. Next, you'll be asked to describe what you want your app to do. For this example, we're going to build a simple finance tracker. So you can type something like, I want an app that tracks my income and expenses. I want to be able to add transactions, categorize them, and see how much money I'm spending. Once you've entered your description, click on Start Building. Now, give it a few seconds. Zoho Creator will automatically generate your app structure. You'll see suggested use cases, like adding transactions, viewing reports, and tracking balances. If you don't like any of them, you can delete them, edit them, or add your own custom features. You'll also see the data model, which shows how your app is structured behind the scenes, including fields like amount, category, date, and type, whether it's income or expense. Take a moment to review everything. If it looks good to you, go ahead and click on Create Application. Now the platform will start building your app. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to about a minute. Once it's done, click on Access Application at the bottom right corner. And just like that, your finance tracker app is ready. You'll see a dashboard where you can start adding your income and expenses, categorize them, and keep track of your financial activity. You can also switch between different views, like desktop, tablet, and mobile, to see how your app looks on different devices. This is especially useful if you want to track your finances on your phone. If you want to customize anything, just click on Edit Application in the top right corner. Inside the editor, you can change the layout, adjust workflows, and even add more advanced features like summaries or reports. And that's it. You've successfully created your own finance tracker app using Zoho Creator. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple and practical tutorials like this.